Welcome back to Wheels Steeze, where we explore the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into the world of electric trucks. And not just any trucks. We're talking about the top 7 EV trucks that are not only pushing boundaries, but are set to outshine Tesla's offerings. Whether you're looking for power, range, affordability, or innovation, these electric trucks have it all. So, let's get started. 1. Slate Truck. First on the list is the Slate Truck, a brand that's quickly making a name for itself. Slate has taken a bold step into the electric truck world with a focus on simplicity, functionality, and affordability. Backed by Jeff Bezos, the Slate Truck brings you a pickup that starts at just under $27,500, and with federal tax incentives, it could drop as low as $20,000. This truck is built for the everyday person, offering a 201 horsepower motor, a 150-mile range, and a modular design that lets you convert it from a 2-seat pickup to a full-fledged 5-seat SUV. No unnecessary frills, just solid, reliable performance at a price that makes sense for the average consumer. It's a game changer for those who need a workhorse that doesn't break the bank, and at this price point, it's hard to see why anyone wouldn't consider it over other, pricier alternatives. 2. Rivian R1T. Next up, we have the Rivian R1T. If you've been following the electric truck scene, you'll know that Rivian is pushing the envelope with its all-electric quad motor system, designed for maximum performance in all conditions. The R1T delivers impressive off-road capabilities with a range of over 300 miles and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds. Third, Ford F-150 Lightning. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Ford F-150 Lightning. The F-150 has been America's best-selling truck for decades, and Ford has successfully transitioned it into the electric age. The Lightning doesn't just promise to match the F-150's legacy, it improves on it. With over 10,000 pounds of towing capacity and a range of up to 320 miles, this electric truck is ready to handle any job you throw at it. But Ford didn't stop there. They've packed the Lightning with advanced tech features, including a huge infotainment screen and Ford's Blue Cruise hands-free driving technology. It's the perfect blend of power, utility, and modern-day tech, and it's a great option for anyone looking to switch to electric. Fourth, GMC Hummer EV. At number 4, we have the GMC Hummer EV. The Hummer brand is back, and this time, it's electric. The 1,000 horsepower Hummer EV is a beast in terms of both performance and features. With 3 electric motors and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3 seconds, the Hummer EV is a powerhouse. What sets it apart is its unique features like crab walk mode, which allows the truck to move diagonally, and extract mode, which can raise the vehicle for extra ground clearance. 5. Lordstown Endurance. Now let's talk about the Lordstown Endurance. This truck is designed with commercial use in mind, focusing on durability and efficiency. It features 4 in-wheel hub motors, giving it superior traction and power delivery. The Endurance is expected to offer a range of over 250 miles and is built to withstand the rigors of daily fleet use. For fleet operators, this is an exciting development because it combines electric efficiency with the durability required for work. The Endurance is aiming to change the game for commercial electric trucks, offering a reliable, affordable, and efficient option for businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint. 6. Canoe Pickup Truck. Next up, we have the Canoe Pickup Truck. This truck has one of the most unique designs in the market, with a futuristic, boxy aesthetic that is designed to maximize interior space. The Canoe Pickup is built on an all-electric platform, offering a spacious cabin and an open flatbed that's perfect for work or leisure. The Canoe Pickup is aimed at those who want an electric truck that combines minimalist design with functionality. While still in development, Canoe's approach could change the way we think about electric trucks, giving us a highly customizable and practical vehicle for both personal and professional use. 7. Tesla Cybertruck. Of course, we can't forget the Tesla Cybertruck. Elon Musk's much-anticipated electric pickup has become one of the most talked-about vehicles in the world. With its angular, bold design and a range of up to 500 miles, it's a truck that's made for the future. The Cybertruck is equipped with Tesla's autopilot system, allowing for autonomous driving features, and offers up to 800 horsepower. Tesla's entry into the truck market is a game changer, combining cutting-edge technology with extreme durability and performance. The Cybertruck might not be for everyone, but it's certainly a truck that's making waves and pushing the envelope for electric vehicles. Which one do you think will dominate the electric truck market? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive insights from Wheels and Steeze.